Chris Swenson again with the last of the videos explaining mind control and hypnosis. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about biology, the biological approach to hypnosis and mind control, biological psychology or psychiatry. This is attempting to control behavior through physical intervention, drugs, brain surgery, electroshock, brain implants, things like that. So for example, let's say we have a child who's acting out inappropriately or has inappropriate behavior. You have three approaches here. Number one is the cognitive approach. Sit the kid down, explain to him why it is wrong to do X. Two, the behaviorist approach. Spank him. Three, the biological approach. Label him with oppositional defiance disorder, or ADHD, then give him a psychotropic drug. Now, lastly, I want to talk about controlling people's behaviors through emotions. Number one, public relations, aimed to make you feel a certain way about something. We here in America are very, very good at that, probably the world leaders. Number two is pandering, and pandering means to fulfill an immoral desire. Drug dealers pander to an addiction. Prostitutes pander to a sexual desire. You can control someone by giving them something that they want. Social control by distraction, television, pornography, video games, drug addiction. Pimps keep their whores in line by keeping them addicted to drugs. Manipulating our food supply is a type of mind control. When you put caffeine in pop, MSG in prepared foods, and you manipulate the levels of sugar, salt, fats, and colors in almost anything or everything we eat. And at the very last, when you give up trying to control their minds and you actually restrain them. Straitjackets, institutionalization, imprisonment, sedation, tranquilizers, or the final solution, to kill them. Now, I've just gone through all these different scenarios and circumstances to give you a general idea of what hypnosis is and is not, and to use a more common term, perhaps, the idea of mind control. Now, the concept of all of these things is to help you to understand more about why I do what I do, and to give you a little bit of insight into what goes into hypnosis and how minds work. And hopefully you'll enjoy coming to see me sometime, and I'll do some hypnosis for you, or you come to see one of my classes for sleep on demand or for the 20-minute stress release. Thank you very much, and goodbye.